Hi, my name is Tahira Manju. I am basically from India. I have a sibling. She's an elder sister to me. I'm a mom and dad. They stay in a different state in India. I have a dog. I love her a lot. Her name is Dusty. I was working as an IT professional, and right now I'm doing my global MBA. Moving into Berlin was very beautiful because it was my first international trip. I've never been or flew into any of the country. I like the weather over here, the people are, the culture. I really liked it a lot. I was sharing a flat with my flatmate. It was a studio apartment along with one more girl from India. I liked very much being alone, so not in this quarantine for sure. Now it's like I am spending, I think, 4 hours or 5 hours continuously talking to my mom and my sister in the video call. But then with the friends, you have a lot of different topics to talk, joke around. It's very different than when you have a person in front of you than in the video and then talking over the apps and the tablets and the phone. It's impacting me slowly. Yeah, it's that. I try to find myself more. I like to draw, sketch, try to do new recipes, new combinations and all, maybe good or bad. I started doing yoga. I love dancing, so I just play music and then follow some steps and try dancing. Then the first thing I would go to do is go to my gym first. Really want to go to that. The second thing I would do is go and meet some friends of mine, my college friends here. You can meditate, you can do yoga, sing loudly, hear some songs. You can do that. Speak to your friends, talk to your parents or whoever who can listen to you, and enjoy everything. Enjoy your life because it's only one. So enjoy it.